Welcome to this short course about the design of an autonomous fast response drone-based smart rescue system, or Auto-FRD for critical situation management in future wireless network. This project has been discussed in this paper, which we are going to go through it, and it's also available in RS, has been published in RS Open Journal, and all the algorithms and the codes are available. If you need to take a much closer look, we will discuss about the system design, the application of this particular system, and the results obtained. So to start with, we will discuss the current drone applications, where we look at different application of drones in our daily life. We look at where we apply drones in, for instance, goods delivery, in other application areas, and we will talk about future drone applications, for instance, in areas where drones have not been applied yet, but where we have demand. Then we will move on to talk about why we need this particular paradigm that you're proposing here, the Auto-FRD, and we shall discuss literature review. Basically, we will look at some work that has been done in terms of response drones and how drones are utilized in responding to critical situations. Then we shall talk about the gap or the novelty of this particular paradigm and how it's different from all the other paradigms that have been proposed in literature. After that, we shall discuss about the system design of this particular Auto-FRD. We'll discuss the components that make up the different parts that make up this proposed system. Then we shall discuss some simulation results obtained from this work. And finally, we will conclude and talk about some future work, or the direction that this work will take in future work. So I'll see you in the next video as we proceed.